Sybil just swore, so that means Kane really is gone.
How could you completely delete him? Are you crazy? Huh, of course you're crazy!
Maybe we all just need to calm down and figure this out.
Figure this out? There's nothing to figure out anymore.
Not enthused? Feel real confused? Oh, what a goddamn shame! Congratulations, all of my friends. Now our salvation has come to an end. Put on your Sunday best, because we got no chance at winning. We played the games, tried to ignore the pains, but all that remains is this destroyed domain. 'Cause your stupidity is past infinity, so now I'm running